Hi, and welcome to the A-Series installation guide. The A-Series is currently available in two sizes, the A-52 and the A-52L. Both packs follow the same installation process. Included in your package, you will find the A-Series battery, the battery plate or mounting plate, the charger, spare battery plate screws, 2 Velcro straps, 4 large zip ties, 2 hose clamps, double-sided tape, and the 2 battery keys. Go through the checklist and contact us or your authorized reseller if anything is missing. You will also find an instruction card inside the package that has details to register your warranty. You will need a pair of scissors, box cutters, a 3mm Allen key or Allen key set, and a flathead screwdriver. The A-Series can be installed underneath the downtube or inside the frame's triangle. Before installing, check which location fits best on your bike. We will cover both installation methods in this video. To mount the battery, grab the battery's mounting plate and position it in a way that your frame's water bottle cage mounts are accessible. You can use installation tape or something similar as markers to help you later on. On the mounting plate, you will find designated slots either for the zip ties or the hose clamps. You do not need to use both. Slide the zip ties or hose clamps through the mounting plate as shown. Use the double-sided tape and stick it onto the plate in between the zip ties or hose clamp slots. The Velcro straps are added for additional frame protection. Cut to size and place it around the frame so that the zip ties or hose clamps can be fitted over. Remove your frame's water bottle cage mount bolts. Position your mounting plate fitted with the double-sided tape and zip ties or hose clamps. Ensure that your water bottle cage mount inserts are accessible through the mounting plate. Tighten the cage mount bolts through the mounting plate. Tighten the zip ties or hose clamps over the Velcro straps and cut off the excess. Take the battery pack and slide it into position so that the Anderson connectors are secured. Use the keys provided to lock the battery pack onto the mounting plate. Connect the XT90 connector, which connects to the controller. Turn on your battery pack at the main power button. To mount the battery underneath the downtube, you can place a large strip of double-sided tape onto the mounting plate. Position the mounting plate and secure it to the frame using the zip ties or hose clamps accordingly. Slide the battery pack into position and secure the connectors and lock it into place. When mounting it in this position, it's very important to check that you have enough clearance in between the battery and the front wheel if you have a suspension fork. Bottom out your fork to test it. We hope that you find the A-Series battery a convenient way to power up your CYC kit. That's it from us today, and thanks for watching.